It is week 14 of my Essential Embroidery Stitch Society, and it's week 2 of looking at canvas stitches. Canvas stitches is a really broad subject. There are hundreds of different canvas stitches, and we are only going to get the opportunity to look at 12. So compromise has to be made somewhere. I can't do everything. So my aim is to look at some of the different stitch families. There are vertical and horizontal stitches, there are diagonal stitches, there are cross stitches, and there are box stitches. So I'm focusing on box stitches this week. This is a stitch called Cashmere. Cashmere forms small oblong stitches. They are worked over an even number of threads across its width, but also across its height. It works out to be a block that is 2x4, and it shades fairly well. However, you are always going to end up with the appearance of the blocks because it is a box stitch, which can sometimes be a little bit restrictive. So there are times when a regimented stitch like this is not beneficial. So it's useful recognizing properties like that. I have worked a slightly odd shape across this area because I am blending into another stitch in my online platform. So there are actually 3 stitches worked into this box. So I've worked a fairly organic shape on purpose, although it looks a bit weird at this point. And the shading is the opposite from last week because I've got a plan for how these are going to be laid out.